Just finished a workout. Got something in the mail today. I was thinking, what can I order that's like different than what I normally have, you know? Something eye-catching, just a real attitude. You can think about what it is and what it looks like, but it's just a garment. It's like, I want something that's just gonna project the attitude, you know? Look at me. We're talking bright fuchsia yellow. The statement right there. Statement. So I got a Rick Majors Tempest mesh bodysuit in neon yellow, a large. Rick Majors. Only have a few items from this brand, you know. So let's check this thing out. I know what you're thinking. He's right. You need to have a big attitude. Attitude, confidence, just blasting it on 11. Not 10, but 11. You know the joke. So, here we go. Look at that. You got your gym top. You got something to mow the lawn in. You got something to play basketball in, the top. You got this one piece. You got the thong back. You got the bulge pouch. Projecting that out with confidence. Confidence and attitude, guys. That's right. When you may or may not want to be noticed, and you're going to be noticed anyways. I'm right, look at this. Fearless, proud male. I didn't even read that before I said all that stuff that I just made up on the fly here. Designed and made in California. Fearless, proud, and male. Rick Majors. I think I got the part fearless covered with the confidence, attitude, proud, certainly projecting it, male. So they have these in black, pink or fuchsia, white, I think they're white, and this neon yellow. So confidence, 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 3 confidences, attitude. That's what you gotta have. So I'm gonna do some pictures and videos, and I hope you guys know where to find them. This one is probably not going to be too YouTube appropriate, but I guess I got shorts on. Now, can you believe Instagram the other day took down one of my photos for just normal front, normal like bikini shot, no back. I didn't think there's any bulge or anything, nothing spilling out. They didn't like it. Weird. So I got that going on. All right, it's got the fishnet. What do you wear with this? Oh. All right, guys. So leave a comment as always. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's try this thing on.